Hello everyone. Happy August 14th. Today we celebrate glow-ups, charming stories, and calming vibes. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Creamsicle Day. A day to enjoy frosty orange and vanilla bliss. A perfect gift could be a retro cooler, a DIY Popsicle Kit, or Creamsicle-Scented Candles. What frozen treat makes you smile? Share in the comments. Next, it's National Navajo Code Talkers Day. A salute to brave wartime heroes and Indigenous language. A thoughtful gift could be a donation to a cultural center, a documentary DVD, or a history book. Who's a hero you admire? Let us know. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's World Lizard Day. A fun nod to our scaly reptile friends. A great gift could be a Reptile Care Kit, a lizard-themed keychain, or a zoo visit pass. You know a cool lizard fact? Drop it below. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for September 16th to 20th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!